Andrew, what's going on, bro? I will show you how to start up the 777. This is the Boeing used for Philippines Airlines. It's for a similar. So first thing to do is let's put this power up this. So let's connect the ground power, and then now you see we have here available the secondary external power and the primary one. So we have electricity here. So it's the window heaters, emergency lights, ADDU, voice recorder. Okay, so this is the camera. You need to check the wipers are working okay. No, so all the lights. After that, we're going to check this here. We're going to put fuel. So range should be set is 100%. And payload is passengers. This is random passage. It's going to be 28%, 29%. Okay, that's pretty good. Not exceed 10%. Payload. It's going to be cargo. It's going to be 20% cargo. That's it. Got our energy already. Okay. Captain fuel. Oh, this one here. Not that. Let's put the right. Just flight. No, just data. It's flight data. And it's gonna be TR2 dark and fix it. So we're gonna just right now to program the flight. So it's gonna be to the episode menu. We're gonna check we have the right aircraft 737-300 DG engines. Is the initial position is key ALX. This is the code for the airport, and we are in gate 208. We got a copy right here. That's the same position. So you see we have the airplane in the map. So we're going to request. We're going to request the fuel. Fuel is selected. We're going to select route. It's requesting. We're going to wait a little bit. Okay, it's ready. So now we're going to activate this route. and we gonna start to do all the legs here. So I'm gonna load. Now before init, so crossway, go to menu. Payload is 703.2, right? So we're gonna activate here. And the complete is 703.2. Okay, we have this here. We're gonna accept. And we're gonna put 105. This is gateway. Flaps on 20. Speed down. Departure. We're gonna out for this is gonna be for Mackie. For Mackie here. We just select first 6L. We're gonna out for TR10, or we can just Mackie TR10 too. After that, Mackie. We check, and after that, we check the legs. Vectors. And then to dark. We're gonna go to arrival. It's gonna be July 24th. Only one, and the transition is banky. Okay, we check. We have right all the legs because this is the automatic pilot. We have here, we're done here. And then here, so all is good here. As you can see, all is good here. This is 24, this is the airport, right here. This is a landing track. So now we have a right our land here. So we have already our